Rishabh. Welcome to my channel. I review latest and upcoming cars. And today we are in a Maruti showroom, as you can see, to review the new XL6. So let's go review it. So as you can see over here, we have this chrome grille and with a massive Maruti Suzuki logo. And over here we have 4 cables and DRL LED headlamps. And you have these fog lamps below both sides and the XL6 badging. This is a K15B Smart Hybrid engine. This is a petrol engine. This engine produces 6,000 RPM. The torque of this engine is 4,400 RPM. So now let's start with the wheel. So you can see the base of this wheel is 2740 mm. The front tire comes with a disc brake, while the rear tires come with a drum brake. So now we are at the rear of the car. We got the Suzuki logo with normal tail light indicators and tail lights. We got the smart hybrid logo here, XL6 badging, parking sensors. We got the rear view camera. We got the wipers. We got the high mounted stop lamp. Now we are going to open the boot of this car. Oh, it's very heavy. Then we got 210 capacity liter of luggage, and we got some space over here as well, both the sides. So we're going to recline the seats down now, both the seats. So you get 550 liters of boot space now. Now you can even recline the second row. When you recline it, it will become 693 liters of boot space. For the third row windows, we have this window over here. It's quite small to see. And for the second row, you have a massive window you can see. So you get this chrome handle. You get it like all around all the doors of the car. So it's like chrome, as you can see. So now let's look at the cockpit of the car. Now we are in the cockpit of this car. So you can see the engine push start stop button. It has a auto AC. It has a bottle holders in each row. L-Cool twin cup holders. It has remotely keyless entry. It has cruise control. Auxiliary socket with smartphone storage space. Auxiliary socket third row. Front and rear power windows. Auto up down power windows for the driver. Day and night adjustable IRVM. Power and tilt steering. Electrically adjustable ORVM. Electrically foldable ORVM. Cabin lamp. We got 17.8 centimeter touchscreen Smart Play Studio. You got voice command system, Bluetooth connectivity, speakers plus tweeters, USB and aux connectivity. Steering mounted audio and calling controls. Navigation system with live traffic update through Smart Play Studio app. Remote control through Smart Play Studio app. Now let's review the second row of this car. So you got bottle holders. You got this space over here so you can close the door. You got to open the door from inside. You got locks here like that. And then you got captain seats. You can go forward and backward as you can recline. 6-seater car. These are the captain seats. If you don't want captain seats, it can come in 3 seats. So you got AC over here, ACs. Then you got magazine holders. You got 12-volt charging socket. You got handrails, and you got this normal handrail as well. and you got this some storage space over here as well for a bottle or any your phone. So let's go review the third row. So the easiest way to go to the third row is from the middle. And you got cup holders over here. You got this window, as I said you in the last. You got holders. You got holder over here. You got seat belts both the sides. Then you got lights over here. And you got 12-volt charging socket also here. And now as I'm a kid, it's a nice place for me. It's very much leg room. The headroom also is very big. So for adults, this third row will be slightly uncomfortable because the knees will be touching down and the headroom also will be big. And yeah. So hope you like my review of the Maruti Suzuki XL6. For me, it's a fantastic family car for you, and hope you guys will have a good time with it driving around. So till my next video, like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye.